Hey guys, Harry and Willem from the crew here, and we're doing a gross eating challenge. So we're going to be spinning scissors, and there's Tabasco, soy sauce, and a chocolate. And whatever it lands on, you're going to eat. If it lands on the bottom, it's the other person's turn, and you go next, and you go last.
Alright, let's get into it.
Alright.
That's pointing right to it.
How much?
Oh, pour like 5 drops.
Let me just go all in.
That's enough, that's enough.
Alright.
Oh, yuck. Just right.
It was at this moment
Harry.
knew he fucked up.
Oh my god, that's so hot. We don't.
You don't have any water.
That's so hot.
Hey dude, use the hose.
It's so hot. No.
Still gone wrong for Harry. Oh,
It's so hot.
let's hope my luck's a little better.
That's soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Okay. Enough.
Look how juicy that is.
Oh.
That juicy soy sauce.
I did it. Did it.
Alright, so there's only one more thing, so yep, letting them crunchy. So I'm just gonna eat it.
Okay. Yummy.